What if your TV could be a masterpiece and a movie screen? Samsung just dropped its 2025 Art TV lineup with the Frame and the jaw-dropping Frame Pro. And trust me, your living room's about to get a serious upgrade. Stick around to see why these TVs are the ultimate blend of art and tech. Samsung's back with a bang, expanding its Art TV game. Meet the Frame Pro, 65 to 85 inches of pure Neo QLED glory and a refreshed 2025 frame, now in 43 to 65 inches. These aren't just TVs, they're vibe setters. Lydia Cho, Samsung's home entertainment head, says it best. We pioneered Art TVs with the Frame, and now the Frame Pro's here to double down. Stunning art meets top-tier performance. Whether you're into Van Gogh or video games, these screens have you covered. Let's zoom in on the Frame Pro. It's Samsung's most advanced Art TV yet. That Neo QLED 4K display, brighter colors, deeper blacks, unreal contrast. Powered by the NQ4 AI Gen 3 chip, it makes art pop and movies sing. Plus, it's the first Art TV with a wireless One Connect box. No cable clutter, just a clean, gallery-ready look up to 30 feet away. With a 144Hz refresh rate, it's silky smooth for gaming too. Oh, and it's Pantone validated for true-to-life art. Pair that with a matte anti-glare screen and a slim-fit wall mount, and you've got a TV that's basically a frame masterpiece. The Frame's not slacking either. This 2025 refresh keeps the iconic slim design, adds that 144Hz refresh rate, and rocks the same AI processor. It's got all the pros' aesthetic tricks: Pantone colors, matte display, motion sensors to save energy, plus customizable bezels in modern teak, sand gold, you name it. Starting at $899, it's the world's top Art TV for a reason. Both models sync with SmartThings to control your smart home, and Samsung Vision AI throws in wild perks like real-time actor bios, live translations, even pet alerts. And the Samsung Art Store, it's a treasure chest. Over 3,000 works from MoMA to Art Basel, plus free monthly streams of 30 pieces, no subscription needed. New this spring, Will Cotton's dreamy art and Van Gogh's countryside vibes. 2025's it's hitting Neo QLEDs and more, so any Samsung TV can be your canvas. Bonus, these TVs do karaoke with Stingray. 100,000 songs, 6 months free on select models. Plus, Samsung TV Plus and Gaming Hub keep the fun flowing, all wrapped in one UI Tizen with 7 years of updates. Ready to frame your world? The Frame and Frame Pro are out now, starting at $899 and $2,199. Head to Samsung.com to grab yours and turn your space into gallery, theater, or smart hub all in one. Don't wait. These beauties are from the #1 TV brand 19 years running, and they're selling fast. Click now and level up your home. That's the scoop on Samsung's 2025 Art TV lineup. Which one's your vibe? The Frame or the Frame Pro? Drop it in the comments.